Hey guys, I'm Ariel and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be demonstrating how I use Curl's Hair Under There collection to prepare my hair for this curly clip-ins protective hairstyle. It's been about 3 weeks since I last washed my hair, so now it's definitely time to give us a good cleanse and refresh for this new style. So I'm gonna hop in the shower and let's get this wash day started. First, we're going to use the Hair Under There Detox Tea Cleanser to cleanse our hair. It's an herbal tea-infused, sulfate-free, purifying and cooling shampoo that rids the scalp of buildup from weeks of protective styles. So the Detox Tea Cleanser definitely had some cooling properties to it. I felt the cooling and tingling sensation on my scalp. I'm not sure if they used tea tree or menthol or whatever they used in this product, but it was really strong and it did aid in detoxing and cleansing my scalp thoroughly. Next, we have the Strengthen Me Moisture Mask, which is used to condition, moisturize, strengthen, and protect. Your natural hair under there needs all the love it can get to thrive while under a wig and weave. This is a deep conditioning, moisture-infused mask formulated with a natural protein to strengthen hair after weeks under a protective style. Ooh, okay, we love the little protein additive. Come on now. And you guys, honestly, this mask was so thick and hydrating. I didn't even want to rinse it out because I just wanted my hair to absorb every bit of protein and moisture and nutrients that it had to offer. I had trouble detangling, but I think this mask is more focused on repairing and conditioning rather than having good slip and detangle. So I let this mask sit for about approximately 30 minutes, then I rinsed and blow dried my hair. I will be posting the tutorial for this blow dry routine, so don't worry, I will have all the details on my channel. Now I'm prepping my hair to be braided for the clip-ins. So I did want a good amount of leave out so that my clip-ins blended really well. This is a heatless style, so the amount of leave out that you have does not matter. To braid up my hair, I'll be using the Hair Under There Balm Braid In Conditioner. It's a softening and hydrating pre-install treatment to be used before braiding the hair in preparation for an installation of a wig, weave, or extension. Braiding dry, brittle, moisture-deprived hair will only further damage your hair. Start with conditioned hair by using this protective braid-in conditioner and maintain supple, moisturized hair under your wig, weave, or extensions. Now y'all, I can braid, but I can't braid like this. I had to call in my mama for reinforcements. My mom loved how soft this product made my hair, and it also provided the perfect amount of moisture to keep my hair maintained underneath my clip-ins. Next up, we have the Soothing and Cooling Scalp Potion. It's used to refresh, cool, calm, reinvigorate, and hydrate irritated, dry, neglected scalp. So you can apply this before or after braiding. I did it after, and I just put it in between my parts so that it could absorb right into my scalp. Alright, now it's time to apply our clip-ins. For these clip-ins, I used Melange Hair Type 4. My clip-ins were curly, but I blow dried them out for this look. So if you guys want a tutorial on how I blow dry my curly clip-ins, you're gonna have to drop it below in the comments so that I know that it is content that's wanted. So I blow dried a few pieces, and my end goal was not to have any clip-ins attached to my leave out, only clip-ins attached to the braids for comfortability. I ended up installing only 3 rows of clip-ins. The first row had 4 clips, the middle row had 5 clips, and the top row had 3 clips. These clip-ins were really comfortable. I did not feel them at all, and they did not weigh down my head. They also blended so well with my natural hair texture in its blown out state. So you guys can see I am blending out my hair. I'm making sure that my leave out covers any clips that might be showing. Alright, now that my hair is prepped and my clip-ins are applied, it's time to start styling my hair. I only used one product on my hair to apply these FLEXI rods. I used Kaleidoscope's Miracle Texture Style Foam. I will make sure everything used in this video is in the description. Alright, so once your rods are in, we're going to give them time to dry. I air dried overnight and then took them out in the morning. To fluff and separate these spiral curls, I used the Hair Under There Soothing and Cooling Scalp Potion and applied it to my fingertips. When you're separating your curls, oiling your fingertips is a great idea because it reduces the friction between your hands and your hair, which reduces frizz. Gently pull your curls apart and shape your hair as you desire. The last product in our lineup is the Protect Me Edge Styling Pomade, which is a vitamin-infused edge styling protector. It can be used to blend natural hair into your wig, weave, or extensions. And voila, we have a beautiful half up, half down, curly clip-ins, extensions, flexi rod look. Honestly, obsessed isn't even the word that I have for this look, but I am just so pleased with the way it turned out. Shout out to Curls for getting me together, and I hope you guys go out and try this collection.